Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a simple but delicious breakfast recipe, okay? It is so easy to prepare. This comes handy especially when you're running late for work or for school run, okay? It is simple to make and very healthy. Thank you so much for being here. If it's your first time of being here, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you all. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. For this recipe, guys, all you need is just two ingredients, egg and bread. That's all. There's nothing else, just two ingredients. It is so easy and quick, okay? So to get started, preheat your pan and then apply butter. You can also use oil, okay? But I prefer to use butter for this recipe. Once your butter is fully melted, crack the egg and add it to the pan. And then place the bread on top of it and allow it to cook, okay? As soon as it's done, it's gonna stick to the bread, okay? And then after that, you flip the other side. It is simple as that, okay? And you can make as many as you want. Right now, I'm about to flip it. It's already stuck together, so it's not gonna fall apart. So now what I'm gonna do is to apply a little bit more butter underneath so that the other side will come out golden brown because there's no egg on the other side, okay? So the butter will help it come out golden brown and very tasty as well. But you can skip this, it is optional if you don't want to consume a lot of butter, okay? So I'm still gonna cook the other side because it's not yet brown as I prefer it to be. I like my egg well cooked, so I'm just gonna flip it until the egg come out golden brown. That is to show that it is well cooked and done. Okay, so guys, this is typical simple, easy, ready to go breakfast recipe, okay, that you can make for your family, your kids. So I'm just gonna go on and repeat the whole process again until all my bread and the eggs are exhausted, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. I truly appreciate you all here. So if it's your first time of being here and you're still watching up till now, that shows that you love this recipe. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe. To all my amazing returning subscribers, my OGs here, I truly appreciate all of you. You guys are all amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for still watching at this point. So guys, as you've seen, this recipe is so easy, okay? All you have to do is to keep repeating the whole process until all of your ingredients are exhausted. And also, if you want to add a little bit of twist to this recipe, you can sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and a little salt. But I just prefer the plainness that this came out with, okay? But you can still add some of the spices that you prefer, okay? But I like mine as plain, just like this, okay? Thank you guys so much. Please watch to the end, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are yet to. Guys, look at how this is looking, so golden brown, very tasty as well. And I realized that this recipe tastes so good with white bread, okay? I tried it using brown bread as well, but it's not as tasty as with white bread. So I prefer when doing this recipe, try and do it with white bread. You're gonna love it, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I'm going to see you all in my next one. Please watch to the end, okay? And don't skip the ads, okay guys? Thank you so much. I'm going to see you all on my next one. Stay blessed and keep walking by faith and know that Jesus loves you. He cares about you. He knows everything concerning you, okay? Just keep trusting and believing for the best. Have an amazing week. Pray that this week will be so fruitful to you. The works of your hands shall be blessed, and the Lord will continue to increase you on every side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. See you later.